moved a resolution targeting the centre over the renaming of G Ramji. So he has stepped up his attack on the BJP-led union government. He has alleged that there is stepmotherly treatment towards Tamil Nadu. On one hand, you have the Prime Minister who is speaking about Tamil Nadu. He is speaking about Tamil culture, and the BJP has been making attempts to make inroads. But DMK going on to say that the centre has been unfair to Tamil Nadu and Dharani. This is a big flashpoint. In fact, one point that is mentioned by the DMK as well, time and again, when the Prime Minister is visiting, that the centre has been unfair to Tamil Nadu. Now a showdown also over G Ramji.
Well, on the same day as the Prime Minister is going to be in Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin moved a resolution in Tamil Nadu Assembly against the G Ramji Act. The Chief Minister says that Mahatma Gandhi's name should be reintroduced in the scheme, in the name of the scheme, and he also says that the new form of the act is mandating 40% fund contribution from the state governments. So the state governments across the country, they're already suffering from a fund crunch, and with this new mandate, it will further increase the financial burden of the states, is what the Chief Minister says. And for this reason, he moved a resolution in Tamil Nadu Assembly today, and this resolution has been unanimously passed by the Assembly. In fact, the BJP members, the BJP's MLAs, they were not a part of the Assembly session today because of the PM's event. They were busy in the PM's event, so they were not able to be part of the Assembly session today. So without the presence of the BJP in the Assembly hall, this resolution has now been passed unanimously by the Assembly. So definitely on the same day as the Prime Minister is here in Tamil Nadu, Stalin is sending out a message, and he is alleging that the Union BJP government is exhibiting a stepmotherly treatment towards Tamil Nadu. Several funds belonging to different sectors, they're not being released for Tamil Nadu. In fact, through delimitation, the Union BJP government is trying to reduce the parliamentary representation of Tamil Nadu, and they're trying to impose Hindi and Sanskrit through NEP, and they're also not giving an exemption for NEET examination as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, is what the DMK says. So they have a long list of complaints, and Stalin is making it very clear that he wants to send out a message on the same day as the Prime Minister is visiting the state.
Okay, so it's timed perfectly for the Prime Minister's visit to the state on the day when the NDA is bringing all constituents together to put up that united front to say that, look, we are all together against the DMK. And this comes amid the also disgruntlement between the DMK and the Congress, isn't it? Dharani, big day. We will, of course, continue coming back to you for those updates. But while this